Hi, this is Dr. Mark Burnett. I have been a board-certified medical doctor for over 23 years now, and I have just about seen it all. Over the next few minutes, I will share with you some of the most valuable health secrets I have learned over the years. I always tell my patients that education is the key to achieving vibrant health. I will be talking to you about how your colon impacts your health. For my patients, I recommend a completely different approach than what you find in your typical health food store or with other colon products on the internet. My recommended solution is from the Greek island of Crete and developed by a company called Greek Island Labs. They have gone to great lengths to make this answer available to my patients and now available to you. I will explain more about this in just a moment. First, I want to ask you a few very important health questions. Do you have low energy? Do you get sick often? Do you have headaches or sleeping problems? Do you have a hard time losing weight? Do you have bloating, gas, or indigestion after eating? What about a growing belly or bloated abdominal area that you just can't seem to get rid of no matter how many exercises you do? Now for the most embarrassing question. Have you ever had hemorrhoids? These can all be symptoms of a toxic colon. A toxic colon can make you gain weight, depress your immune system, and cause a large host of digestive problems. So the key to remember is this. If you eat 2 or 3 meals a day, you should be eliminating at least once or twice a day. If your stools or bowel movements are pencil thin, or if it takes you more than 60 seconds to eliminate, you need to do something about this as quickly as possible, as this is not normal, before the symptoms you are already experiencing become much worse. When you have too much waste trapped in your colon, you also start getting excessive gas, bloating, and indigestion. This excessive waste is the most common reason people have a bloated belly that they can't seem to get rid of no matter how many sit-ups and crunches they do. Your colon typically is only supposed to weigh about 4 pounds. A person's colon can weigh up to 30 pounds. This can be from waste piling up in the colon. And because the colon can expand to 3 times its normal size, almost like a balloon, it causes the bloated-looking belly, or what I call the poochy belly syndrome. Let me tell you, no one wants to look 3 months pregnant because of a toxic colon. So fitting into your skinny jeans is not as complicated as you think. You just need to clean out the waste and stay regular on a daily basis. You see, some people may develop multiple health problems because they are soaking in their own toxic waste, which can leak into your bloodstream and cause a long list of common health problems. To make matters worse, a toxic colon can increase the symptoms of aging and make you look much older than you really are. In fact, the Royal Society of Medicine of Great Britain stated that the waste in your colon can cause up to 37 different toxins that can leak into your blood, causing many of the health problems we are talking about. Most of my patients think that a simple colon cleansing product will do the trick. But unfortunately, most colon cleansing products actually strip away the good bacteria from your colon, hurting your health, and can actually contain ingredients that cause damage to your intestinal tract. This information is not easy to find. And what frustrates me the most as a medical doctor is that over 95% of colon cleansing products contain these harmful ingredients. So please pay attention to what I'm about to say to you so that you can learn to properly read and understand the labels of the products that you may be using. One of the most notorious ingredients that you need to stay away from in all your supplements is gluten. Gluten causes an allergic reaction in most individuals who suffer from bowel issues. It also causes inflammation of the colon, making the problem worse. If a colon product does not state that it is gluten-free, then stay away from it. Next, you must reduce or eliminate dairy from your diet. Dairy can cause unnecessary mucus and a blockage in the bowel. I know that you probably already know this, but hearing it again might be helpful. Finally, it is important to avoid the following ingredients, which are found in 95% of all colon cleansing products in the health food stores and available on the internet. After you hear what I'm about to say, you will know more than your local nutritionalist and most health professionals. The first ingredient to stay away from is bentonite. Bentonite is a clay used as a binding or thickening agent. When bentonite absorbs liquid, it expands, and as it dries, It can form cracks. You do not want this happening in your colon. The United States Food and Drug Administration states that bentonite can cause a serious bowel obstruction, thus promoting more severe constipation. The FDA also states bentonite has the potential to cause lumps or nodules called granulomatous lesions in damaged mucous tissue. So it is very important to stay far away from any products with bentonite. Second is senna, another common ingredient found in colon cleansing products. Some of the common side effects of senna are abdominal pain, diarrhea, bloating, gas, nausea, rectal bleeding, rapid heart rate, sweating, fainting, skin rashes, and worsening constipation. Finally, let's talk about the most famous colon cleansing ingredient, Cascara sagrada. This dangerous ingredient affects the kidneys in such a way that it can cause your urine to acquire a brownish color. Cascara sagrada can also cause a burning abdominal pain, cramping, and bloody stools. Other side effects may also include bowel inflammation and irritation of hemorrhoids. Most importantly, Cascara sagrada can cause electrolyte imbalances along with vitamin and mineral deficiencies. Cascara sagrada has also been associated with the development of cholestatic hepatitis and high blood pressure, both of which are extremely serious conditions you do not want to have to deal with. Cascara sagrada has also been linked with possible liver injury and can interact unfavorably with some prescription medications. So please, always read your labels so that you avoid these harmful ingredients. As a medical doctor, I find that most colon cleansing products have these harmful ingredients, and my advice is to get off these products immediately. If you want better health and a flatter looking tummy, then listen carefully to what I'm about to say. The magic question is, what do I recommend to my patients and my own family members? For the longest time, I would only suggest increasing the amount of vegetables you eat and reducing the amount of meat you consume, along with total avoidance of gluten and dairy products. Now, we all know how difficult it is to be consistent with following a good, strict diet. So after almost a decade of research, I can now recommend a natural, gluten and dairy-free formula, which was inspired by the diet of the people of the famous island of Crete. The people from the Greek island of Crete have been clinically proven to be some of the healthiest and longest living people in the world. This amazing product is known as Natural Colon. Now, Natural Colon does not contain any Cascara sagrada, senna, or bentonite. It contains a healthy proprietary blend of 12 organic Greek plant whole food ingredients, which include organic ginger root, organic kale, and organic beets. These natural organic ingredients gently work together to properly cleanse your colon and improve regularity, without any of the common harmful side effects that we discussed earlier. These natural organic ingredients have been used for thousands of years in ancient Greece for digestive health. Natural Colon also includes a special blend of probiotics and enzymes to replenish any depletions caused by the overuse of other colon cleansers you may have tried. The research is clear about the fact that we should use probiotics for both a healthy immune system and proper functioning of the digestive system. Natural Colon is 100% vegan and contains natural whole food ingredients. What impresses me the most is that you only need to take 1 or 2 capsules with water before bedtime. That's it. It's simple and it's easy to use. Best of all, you typically see results within 3 days. My goal is to help educate you so you can help yourself and your family achieve better colon health and proper elimination. Natural Colon will help you achieve that flatter looking tummy you've always wanted and the better health you deserve. As a medical doctor, I challenge you to get started on Natural Colon now and see for yourself why I recommend it to all my patients. This is Dr. Mark Burnett, and congratulations for making your health a priority, and thank